for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie, we can see you. Peekaboo. Hello. I had a great idea. Let's draw a popsicle.
Ooh.
Do you like popsicles?
Greetings, Artie!
Greetings, Betty and Mikey. Okay, Artie, go get your pens.
The kid's getting brighter, the kid's getting smarter. He knows the best tool is to use a marker.
I get so happy when Artie is about to start.
Artie, are you happy?
Yay!
Let's start. Okay, let's draw a line straight down with a little hook on the end of it. Perfect. Now on the right-hand side, do the same, but do the hook the other way. There you go. Now let's connect those two hooks with a straight line. Now let's connect the top of the two lines with a circle, but don't go all the way, stop, that's right. And now do 3 little circles. 1, 2, 3. And that's like a bite. Now let's do the stick, 2 straight lines, and connect the bottom of those 2 lines with a little half circle. Perfect, Artie. Now, I want you to do a wavy shape, but at an angle. Yeah, that's right, left to right. There we go. So now do a wavy shape, going all the way across, but at an angle, going higher, and connect. Perfect. Okay, now some little circles inside the popsicle, just little ones. You know, where I'm from, we don't call these popsicles. No, we call them ice lollies. That's right, ice lollies. Well, that's looking really good, Artie. Let's draw some eyes. So do a circle on the left for the left eye. Perfect. Now let's do the right eye, another circle. Very good. Should we do some little dots inside? Yeah, they're the pupils of the eyes. And some eyebrows. Of course, he has to have a mouth. A big, smiley mouth. Dance break? Okay, go on then.
Clap along, little artists!
I have no words. 10. Just 10.
Hey, the dance break's over. What are we gonna do now?
It's time to do some art!
That's right, Betty. It's time to get back to the art. Okay, what's next, Artie? Oh, a little tongue. That's really cute. Now, what else can we do to this drawing to make it a bit more interesting? Oh, Artie's got an idea. Oh, some arms, I think. Oh, some really muscly, strong arms. Okay, well that's unusual for a popsicle, but that's the beauty of art. You can do whatever you want. Wow, I think this popsicle's been hanging out in the gym. That's really cool. He's a cool popsicle, or a cool ice lolly. Oh, I see Artie's thickening up the lines. This is a really good trick, because it makes what you're drawing look like it's popping off the paper. That looks really good, Artie. Thicken up those muscles. Make him look extra strong. Wow, this popsicle's really been working out. Well, it looks like you're nearly done. Just thicken up the right-hand side. Finished. Color it in.
What colors should Artie use, little artists?
Finished. I love how you made your muscly popsicle lime with chocolate topping.
Yay!
Great job, Artie. You've got my heart. I've never seen such a stunning piece of art.
Well, have an arty day. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye-bye!
Have fun. See you next time.